Hi Stampers, Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers, and I am back again with this week's quick tip. Now, the holiday seasons are approaching, and I think that's when everybody likes to do a lot of embossing. I like to call it embossing season. But I want to share a tip, and it's kind of a reminder of you. Make sure you use your Embossing Buddy when you're embossing, especially when you're using colored embossing powder. Okay, let's look at my first sample here, and hopefully this shows on the video. But see all these like specks of the gold embossing powder that's stuck all over my image? Ick, I don't like that. I want a nice clean image. Well, I did not use my Embossing Buddy on that one. This one though, look at how nice and clean that is. What you want to do is make sure before you stamp, put your powder on, or do anything, take your Embossing Buddy and just rub it across your cardstock. Good. That gets all the static out. Now we can stamp. Make sure you use Versamark. Put your embossing powder on. I've got gold here, and then heat it up, and you will have a nice clean image and not all of these nasty little speckles that we don't like. So I hope that tip helps you or reminds you as we go into embossing season so that we get nice embossed images. If you have any questions, as always, make sure to let me know, and don't forget to share this tip with your stamping friends. I'll be back again next week with another quick tip. Have a stamp happy day, guys.